Okay, so the question is, find the decreasing order of basicity of the following amines. So these are the 4 amines given to us and we have to find the decreasing order of their basicity. Okay, so first let's look at this 4th amine. In this case, this electron lone pair is neither involved in resonance nor is it providing any aromatic character to this ring, right? So nitrogen will easily donate them. Therefore, the basic character of this 4th compound will be the highest because these electrons are free. So its basic character will be highest. Okay. So let's look at these options. Either B or C can be our B or D can be our answers, right? So A and C are cancelled. Now let's look at the first amine. Here, nitrogen we can see is sp3 hybridized. sp3 hybridized. So these lone pairs are also present in the sp3 hybridization. And in the third case, this nitrogen is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized. And as we know that greater the s character, greater is the electronegativity, right? And sp2 has more s character as compared to sp3. Therefore, it has more electronegativity. This implies that the electrons will be more tightly bound to the nitrogen and the nitrogen will not easily donate them. This implies that the first should have more basic character in comparison to third. But in the first case, the lone pair is in resonance with this ring. The lone pair is in resonance with this ring, due to which NH2 is unable to donate its electrons. Therefore, third is more basic. So, the order is 4, 3, 1, and then 2. And 2 is least basic because in this case, the lone pair of electrons is providing aromatic character to the ring. So, there is no way that it will let go of these electrons. Therefore, it is the least basic. Therefore, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check 4, 3, 1, 2. B is the correct answer.